In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a tropical seaside habitat in Pokopia. But the first thing we need to do is that we need to grab this right here. So this hedge is right here. So I'm just gonna grab this right here. And then I'm just gonna put it away right here. So I'm just gonna put it away here. And you can see I should have the hedges here. So I need to do so for this one as well here. So do the exact same thing here. And then I need to do it 4 times here as well. So in total we need 4 of those. I'm just gonna put it away here again. And then do the same for this one. Perfect. Now when we have 4 of those, we can proceed to the step number 2. And the step number 2 is going to be for us to find a palm tree. And I'm going to show you a perfect location because we don't need to only find a palm tree. We need to find a palm tree next to the water. So I'm just going to show you the most perfect location for that. And by the way, just so you know, I'm currently in the Bleak Beach area right here, if you didn't notice. So this right here is going to be the perfect area. I'm just gonna put all of those away here. This is just gonna annoy us otherwise. And now what we need to do is that we need to break this open right here. We're gonna break this open because we need water nearby. So now I'm just gonna go up here again. And then I'm just gonna plant this around the tree here. So one here, one here. We can do one over here. And let's do the last one, I guess, here, or let's do it here again. And you should now be able to, as you can see, make a tropical seaside habitat. This habitat will eventually get you a Lapras Pokemon, and yeah, basically that is exactly how to actually make it.